Hello everyone, let's get started. Today's topic is working files. The commands we are going to cover are file, touch, rm, cp and mv. Let's get started with the first one. So I'm in temp test directory. Let's list the files. Okay, there are 4 files: sample file, user class.php, view, rc, wget, hsts. So as the first character is hyphen sign, this means these are files directly without any kind of checking. So let's use the file command to see what kind of file these are. File, user class, it is a PHP script containing ASCII text. File hyphen dot view rc, this file contains JSON data. Next, file dot wget, this is a simple file that contains ASCII text. Okay, now there is a special case with this file command. It is very useful to detect files which are without any kind of extension. So without extension we can't guess what kind of file it is, but with file command we can test it using simply like this: file, sample file, and it reads the file and tells us back that this is a born again shell or bash script ASCII text executable. So this is just a bash script. That's why this file command is very useful, so keep note of this. So next, moving forward, we have touch command. So touch command is basically simple command to create files, not directories. For directories we have covered that creating directories we use mkdir. Okay, so touch simple. Now this simple file is created, and we can see the first character is minus sign. This means this is a file, not directory. So we can even create multiple files using a single touch command like this: sample A, sample B, sample C. As we can see, files are created, and first character is hyphen sign means files are created, not directories. Okay, this is simple usage of touch command. Moving forward, we have rm. It is used for removing files and folders. In the last lecture we have studied about mkdir and rmdir. There was one problem with rmdir, that it wasn't able to delete directories with data. So if the directories contain data, then we use rm to remove that directory. So let's do this: mkdir test cd test. Then I'm going to create a sample file, echo abc simple.txt. okay, file simple, to just to check it is ASCII text. Okay, so let's get back. Now as we can see, this test directory is created and it contains a simple file. So let's try with rmdir. Okay, so it says directory is not empty. This is the case where we use rm test. Okay, it also says this is a directory. So what we have to do is to specify an argument for this: rm hyphen r, which means recursive, delete recursively, test. Now it's gone. Now as we can see, test directory is removed. So this is basic usage of rm. rm can be used to delete directories with data or files. We can use rm hyphen r to delete recursively. You will also see like this rm hyphen rf, where f means just use the forcefully remove the files. Okay, this is the basic usage of rm. Okay, next, moving forward, we have cp command. Let me show you something of real interest. Can you see this single dot? We have studied about this double dot, that we can use cd double dot to go back to the parent directory. Okay, let me get back here. So one can ask, what is the purpose of this single dot? Now let's see the purpose of this single dot. The command or syntax to use a cp is simple: cp, the source here, then destination here. Okay, so let's see it. cp, I'm going to copy file from temp TeamViewer log file. Now I'm going to copy this file over to my current directory, which is temp test. Without even specifying the full location, the first solution is we can go like this, test, and you can see TeamViewer file is copied here. Okay, let me remove this. Now the second command, the second solution is to use it like this, dot. As this dot directory represents our current directory, means ls dot, it represents this current directory. Okay, so we can use cp source to mention the destination, our current destination. To copy something in our current destination, we can use simply this dot. The file will be copied from source to our current location. So this way we can use this cp without specifying the full argument or full path, sorry. Okay, as we can see, the file is copied here. Okay, to copy the whole directory, we can use cp-r, means copy the recursively. Let me show you simple example. var html. Okay, so there are many things. Let me copy this wp directory to this current directory. Okay, so it is saying -r not specified omitting directory, means it needs to be recursively done. So we can use -r. Now it is copying. Okay, this wp directory is copied fully. This is basic usage of cp command. Next, moving forward, we have mv command. Okay, so let me get back to temp. As we can see, this is a file here. Now I'm going to cut this file and move to my test directory. The command syntax for mv is same like cp. mv, we can even specify the previous directory like this, TeamViewer. So copy this TeamViewer log file to my current, sorry, copy, not copy, cut. Okay, so it says it's already, it exists already. So move, sorry. Okay, it says we cannot, operation not permitted. So let's see why it is not permitted. This must be something related to permissions. Yes, this file is owned by root and I'm not root at the moment, so I cannot move this or cut this file. So let me do something else. Let me create a sample file, sample.txt. Okay, now this file is here. Let me move back to test. Okay, now copy this, or sorry, cut this simple.txt. We can even look at like tab sample. Now copy into this location. Sorry, I keep on saying copy and copy. MV is for cut and paste. Okay, now we can see here is our sample.txt. If it is cut, then it must be removed from temp. So let's get back and verify. As we can see, it is copied. Sorry again, it is gone because we did cut and paste, not copy and paste. For copy we use cp, for cut or move we use mv. There is another use of mv, that is for renaming files. So test, the usage for rename is very simple, mv, then we have to specify the file we want to change the name, sample.txt. Now give it a new name, sample.changed.txt, tt, sorry. Now as we can see, sample.txt was passed as first argument, means we want to change the name of this file and we want to give it this name. As we can see, the file name is changed successfully. sample.change.tt. okay, we can remove it using sample.change. okay, that's it. So we've covered multiple commands in this video lecture. So the first thing we looked at is file, then touch, rm, cp, mv. File is just used to determine file type, touch is to create files, rm to remove files and folders. It can remove folders even if they contain data. We can use the -r argument like rm-r. okay, copy, we can copy files. In this I have told you about the single dot, what is the purpose of single dot, and we can copy the whole directories using cp-r argument. mv is used for cut and paste and renaming. I've explained the cut and paste syntax and shown you example and shown you an example for rename. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching.